Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make your text glow in Photoshop. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar. Click on the canvas and type your desired text. With your text layer selected in the Layers panel, right-click on the text layer and choose Blending Options from the context menu. In the Layer Style dialog box that appears, click on Outer Glow. You can customize the glow effect. Pick a color for your glow by clicking on the color box. Adjust the glow size and spread by using the sliders. Play around with these settings until you achieve the desired effect. If you want an additional glow effect, you can also check the Inner Glow option. Adjust its size and opacity to add depth to your text. And that's it! Your text should now have a glowing effect. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.